In a remarkable journey spanning just 5 years, Davey Fogarty transformed $500 into $500 million, defying the odds and overcoming personal challenges to build a thriving business empire. Fogarty's story is one of resilience, hard work, and determination, as he rose from humble beginnings as a financially insecure and academically challenged individual to become a successful entrepreneur. So in this video, we are going to discuss how to get from $500 to $500 million in 5 years. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. In the annals of entrepreneurship, the name Davey Fogarty shines as a beacon of resilience, hard work, and unparalleled success. His extraordinary journey, spanning a mere 5 years, is a testament to the indomitable human spirit and the power of perseverance. From meager beginnings as a financially vulnerable and academically challenged individual, Fogarty defied the odds and transformed a mere $500 investment into a staggering $500 million business empire. Fogarty's tale begins with a profound revelation that despite his financial struggles and academic setbacks, he possessed a burning desire to succeed. With unwavering determination, he embarked on a path that would redefine his destiny. With just $500 in his pocket, he took the first bold step towards building his dreams. The journey was not without its trials. Fogarty faced countless obstacles, both personal and professional. Yet, with each setback, he found the strength to rise again, learning invaluable lessons that fueled his resilience. He worked tirelessly, day and night, pouring his heart and soul into his business ventures. Through it all, Fogarty's unwavering belief in himself and his vision remained unyielding. He refused to be discouraged by naysayers or doubt, drawing strength from his own determination and the support of a few loyal friends. His ability to identify and capitalize on market opportunities proved instrumental in his rapid ascent to success. As his business flourished, Fogarty remained grounded and humble. He never lost sight of his roots, and his commitment to giving back to the community became an integral part of his mission. Through philanthropic initiatives and charitable contributions, he extended a helping hand to those in need, sharing the fruits of his success with others. Today, Davey Fogarty stands as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and a symbol of the boundless possibilities that await those who dare to dream big. His extraordinary journey serves as a reminder that with unwavering determination, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of success, anything is possible. In a world where greatness was often associated with innate talent or sheer luck, Fogarty's journey began with a revolutionary belief. True greatness emerged from the crucible of hard work and unwavering resilience. Inspired by the iconic Nike commercials that proclaimed, "Just do it," Fogarty embarked on a path that would test the limits of his determination. However, life had different plans in store for him. Despite his unwavering belief, Fogarty faced a series of setbacks that seemed insurmountable. University proved to be an unexpected hurdle as he struggled to find his footing academically. Undeterred, Fogarty took the lessons learned from his university experience and applied them to various ventures. Yet each endeavor seemed to end in disappointment, leaving him questioning his abilities. In the midst of these setbacks, a glimmer of hope emerged. With unwavering determination, Fogarty channeled his passion and creativity into a product that would change his life forever: calming blankets. This ingenious creation not only provided solace and comfort to countless individuals, but also catapulted Fogarty to unimaginable success. The blankets became a symbol of his triumph over adversity, generating millions in revenue and capturing the hearts of customers worldwide. Fogarty's story stands as an enduring testament to the transformative power of persistence. His ability to learn from his failures and setbacks, rather than succumbing to discouragement, became the driving force behind his eventual success. Through his unwavering belief in the value of hard work and resilience, Fogarty not only achieved greatness, but also inspired countless others to embrace their own journeys, no matter the obstacles they may encounter. This narrative is not only a testament to Fogarty's personal success, but also to the potential for individuals to achieve greatness through hard work and entrepreneurship. As the world continues to evolve, with AI playing an increasingly significant role in business, Fogarty's story serves as a reminder that even in the face of technological advancements, human ingenuity and determination remain the driving forces behind success. Fogarty's narrative stands as a testament not just to his remarkable personal achievements, but also to the boundless potential that lies within each individual to forge their own path to greatness through unwavering dedication and entrepreneurial spirit. In an ever-evolving world, where the influence of AI in the business realm continues to grow exponentially, Fogarty's story serves as a poignant reminder that despite the rapid advancements of technology, it is the inherent ingenuity and unwavering determination of the human spirit that remain the driving forces behind true success. Fogarty's extraordinary journey stands as a testament to the unyielding strength of the human spirit, embodying an unwavering resolve to surmount obstacles, seize opportunities, and forge a destiny that defies limitations. Through his unyielding dedication to the pursuit of excellence and his innate entrepreneurial prowess, he has propelled himself to the forefront of his industry. Fogarty's tale reverberates as a clarion call, an inspiring beacon for aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals seeking to carve out their own path to success. It serves as a stark reminder of the imperative of perseverance, an unyielding resilience in the face of adversity, and a remarkable aptitude to adapt and thrive in the ever-shifting tapestry of change. Each step of Fogarty's journey is a testament to the enduring power of determination. From humble beginnings, he fearlessly embraced challenges, harnessing them as stepping stones to greater heights. His unwavering focus on hard work, combined with a relentless spirit, propelled him forward, propelling him beyond the confines of perceived limitations. Fogarty's entrepreneurial acumen stands as a lodestar for those who dare to dream. With an astute eye for opportunity and a keen sense of innovation, he has navigated the complexities of his industry, leaving an indelible mark. His ability to identify and capitalize on emerging trends, coupled with his unwavering commitment to excellence, has solidified his position as an industry leader. Moreover, Fogarty's story transcends personal triumphs. It serves as a resounding endorsement of the transformational potential of mentorship and collaboration. His willingness to share his knowledge and expertise, to guide and support others on their own journeys, has created a ripple effect of success. By fostering a culture of growth and innovation, Fogarty has enriched the broader entrepreneurial ecosystem, leaving a lasting legacy that extends far beyond his own accomplishments. In an era defined by uncertainty and rapid change, Fogarty's journey serves as a poignant reminder of the enduring power of the human spirit. His unwavering focus on hard work, entrepreneurial acumen, and unwavering perseverance have propelled him to remarkable heights, inspiring countless others to embrace their dreams and forge their own paths to success. It is the human element that provides the spark of creativity, the capacity for empathy, and the ability to navigate the complexities of human interactions. Fogarty's success story highlights the harmonious coexistence of technology and human potential, emphasizing that the true key to success lies in the synergy between the two. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.